This is the Lone Creator YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to sign a Pages document on your Mac. First, open the document you wish to sign. Then, we'll access the built-in markup tools, which provide a straightforward way to add your signature directly to the file. This process ensures your document is legally binding and ready for sharing, all within a few simple steps. It's a quick and efficient method for digital signing. To begin, open your Pages document. Look for the markup icon, which resembles a pen tip, in the toolbar at the top of your screen. Click on it, then choose Signature from the drop-down menu, and finally, Create Signature. You'll have three convenient options. Use your trackpad to draw, your Mac's camera to capture a signature from paper, or even your iPhone for a more precise input. Once your signature is created, it will appear in the Signature menu. Select it, and then simply click on the area within your Pages document where you wish to place it. A small signature box will appear. You can easily drag it to the exact position and resize it by pulling its corners to ensure it fits perfectly. This allows for precise placement, making your document look professional and complete. After placing your signature, it's crucial to save your Pages document to embed the signature permanently. For broader compatibility and to prevent any accidental edits, I recommend exporting the document as a PDF. Go to File, then Export to, and choose PDF. This ensures your signature remains intact and viewable across various devices and operating systems, making it easy to share securely via email or other platforms.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.